So guys, we are now going down to heading down to Sitio Favoyan. So actually I'm supposed, up until today, I'm supposed to be playing a music, but I can't because I'm recording, and I also turn off the volume of my cell phone because the automated voice of the Suunto application that is monitoring my workout is always making a noise for every I think 20 seconds, yeah, 20 to 30 seconds, then another voice, then after that another voice, something like that. That's why it seems like it is ruining my recordings, so I just turn off the volume. Though running without a music, hearing a music like this silently, especially during night time, and in this barangay, especially, I think I'm more comfortable when I'm running night time on other places or other barangays, like something like that. Not just in our barangay, because in our barangay, you know the story that just happened, something like that. That's why you are cautious on the some other places, something like that. That's why when we go down there, I think I need to use my headlamp. This light coming to my cell phone is not enough, and if possible, if I end the recordings easily, if I just ended my recordings, know that I need to play a music at that time. So don't wonder if my recordings on today's workout is not long, or they are short videos. Although I'm trying to manage it to record a video higher than how do you call that, 3 minutes, yeah, so that it can be marked. The YouTube will put my video as videos, not into shorts. So I think, wow, what I'm hearing today is the very loud music coming from the sound of water. So I think I'm safe. I think I can manage to keep on recording, and I don't need music because I think the sound of the water is loud enough to distract other sounds coming on the surroundings. So I think that's it. But of course, if there's we can't wow guys, I just open up my headlamp because my body is feels negative. Seems it is absorbing a negative energy. Yeah. Actually, my mind and my body wants me to just sprint. Yeah, to leave this area instantly, but I can manage to control my emotions and myself. Actually, actually all the hairs on my body, they have they are straightened up. Just in that area, but I think I'll open my headlamp up until when I'm in that area, in the other long straight how do I call that, rice field there, up there. Actually, I'm only walking. I don't know, I don't have a guts to run. Even my mind, my mental, and my body, they are all on same side. Seems like there's no positive for them to say that I need to run, something like that. With disregard of in that place where we just came, or we just left a while ago, because I'm nervous, or I feel seems someone, or there's a negative energy on my surroundings. So guys, I think the feeling, oh nope, seems like still my body can still reacting on the negative energy. I think it is this side, on my back side, because normally in this area I don't need a headlamp, but yeah, I think it's coming on my back side. I don't know if they are following me or not. I can't see them, and of course my cell phone's camera lens can't show you, unless it is a microscope, or it's a cat's eye or dog's eye, then, because they are the ones that can see. Actually, when I'm just focusing on other things without thinking of turning off my headlamp, it is positive. But every time I touch my headlamp, or when I think of turning off my headlamp, it feels like my body feels negative energy. So I don't know if maybe my headlamp can stay for a long period of time, because it is just, time check is 3:22 a.m. I don't know if my headlamp can stay long up until at least 5 a.m. something like that. Feels negative here. It is just that my purpose is not, I can't find any purpose on going down here. But when I go to on other trainings or when I go to Kupapoy, let's say Kupapoy, Fatu, Pukis, something like this. If I plan to go there and I started going there, I don't feel any negative. I just, even though I'm recording or not, it's normal for me because my mind, all my focus was to get there. But now that I don't have any feeling on why did I came here, don't know. It's just that seems like it's very useless. So guys, I think we will turn around and we will just go up again and we will go to the basement of Mount Kupapoy, or we will go to Mount Kupapoy instead. But the challenge there is my body and mind says that seems like my body and my mind don't want me to pass in that area again, in the area where we passed by. Seems like my body and mind is weak today. They are saying they are suggesting that I will not go there again. So I think we will find a way. I think we will just go up. Yeah, instead, I think we will just go up and go to Mount Kupapoy. And we will just go there, stand in there. We will set fire on there. Wait for an hour to pass by, then go down and go home. Because my plan is at least 5:30 is 5:30 or 6 is 5:30 to 5:45 is the time where I'm now going to return home, or where I'm going to U-turn going home, because we are restricted. But I don't know if what time, maybe 7, 8, 9 a.m. is the time where all people are restricted to pass by on any rice field. That's why we will just stay on our houses or on our sitio. Seems like on Sitio Barangs, on Sitio Favoy, we will just stay there. If we are from Sitio Favoy, then if you are from Sitio Fang-Oro, you will just stay there. Same thing with Sitio Favoyan, but Sitio Fang-Oro and Sitio Favoyan are now free, because even though we are restricted to go to the rice fields, there's no rice fields that they will pass by, because they are passing by on the street, so they are exempted. So we from Sitio Favoy is the only ones who are preserving the culture, rituals, something like that, and applying them, not just knowing them but applying them on our own. And by any chance, if we break those rules, then there's a consequence, like 1 pig, 10,000, 20,000 if you break that rule. So guys, I end the video here and update you again later on. I'll try to play a music so that I would be able to pass by in that area. So guys, I'll end the video here. So it is already going up 15 minutes, so it's a good thing. I'll end the video and play a music and update you later on. Thank you.